Intro, blah, 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 merch plug. You guys know the thing.
You know the thing.
Today's exciting because we're gonna go shoot some cinematic footage. We're gonna see if the drone is able to do some cinematic footage. I should grab a water. Love water. Gotta stay hydrated. That'll be the big test we do today, is just the cinematic footage. We're gonna throw some cinematic movie black bars on there. Woo! So we really get that effect and see what we can do, because this drone is kind of a budget beginner drone. $500 with the Fly More pack. It comes with 3 batteries, the prop guards, everything you need that is really essential, because if you just get that $400 pack, all you're getting is 1 battery, and that's really not practical, especially if you want to fly for more than like 25-30 minutes. I think is the full battery life that I tested. So we're doing that. We're going to M22 Detailing. Shout out them. They are letting me come film. We're doing a ceramic coat. We're doing an RS6 style grill install on the A6. It's going to be a fun day. We're hopefully going to be there a couple of hours and get a lot in. Not everybody needs a full professional cinematography camera or like camera setup. You can do films with a budget, and this is what I kind of want to show you guys, because this is only a $500 setup, and we're gonna get a lot of smooth shots, a lot of transitions. Like, I'm just excited to see what we make today. I'm going to put my phone down, listen to some music until I get there, because it's like a 20-minute drive. So I'll catch you guys when I'm there. All over the lane and almost hit me. Literally, this guy was just like, of course he's driving straight now, but he was just, look at, he's all over that left yellow. Oh, this dude needs to have his license taken away. That was almost a really bad start to my day.
Right now, we're applying some Ceramic Pro 9H. We just paint corrected and polished the car. So we got the paint looking perfect before we apply some protection to it. This should last about 5 years.
Beauty, that's a lot of years. That's awesome. Yeah, it's looking good. Shop lights. This shop is sick. What's the square footage on this shop?
This unit is 1,100 square feet.
Yeah.
And next door, where the boat is like 2,000.
That's nuts. Dude, I know. This wind sucks. We're plotting about putting a little gaming setup up here. A loft. Oh yeah. All right, so we just finished up at the shop. Thank you M22 Detailing for letting me hang out there and film some stuff. That was really cool. I'm really excited to see where that A6 is going in terms of modifications and such, because the RS style grill is now on. It looks really good. I think he mentioned the gloss black on the roof for vinyl. So that'll be a big game changer. And then he told me he wants to get some exhaust done. So a lot of Audis in that group. Today we saw the S3, the A4, the A6, and of course my S5. So the drone, it was actually so windy out in the parking lot. My drone kind of flew away from me for a minute. It was out of my control. I was panicking, but I had to go around the building and catch it. So we ended up going inside the building and getting a couple shots with the drone on that Porsche Boxster as well as the A6. So I'm excited to see how they turned out. It looks like they're gonna be pretty cool. So I'll get editing on those, and then that's pretty much it. So again, thank you guys for watching the video. We're close to 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit it here soon. I'll put a couple of my videos in the outro screen. Let's do the S5 complete detail and the exhaust video. So until next time, we'll see you guys. Peace.